Bonjour mes amis, bienvenue à la deuxième partie du Passe Compose. Hello everybody, we are here to look at part 2 of what we need to learn to understand Passe Compose. If you are still not sure on how to write basic sentences in Passe Compose using regular verbs, I would ask you to stop, go back and review it first before you go on to this video. Don't worry, it'll be here when you're ready. In this second part, we are going to be talking about irregular verbs and negative or negation. How to make sentences from I did to I don't, and how to use our verbs like avoir and être and faire and all of their friends that don't necessarily follow the same rules that we use for the other verbs of passé composé. On y va! So first we're going to start with the simple part, which is how to write a sentence in passé composé in the negative. So you notice on your screen we have simple sentences that use the imparfait. J'ai choisi la musique, tu as vendu la voiture, il a envoyé les emails, nous avons emballé les cadeaux, vous avez rangé la maison. Simple sentences that we practiced with last time. And we've just got the subject, we've got our verb auxiliaire, we have our PPAS, and we have a ROS. You don't have to have a ROS, but it looks cool. It makes our sentences fancy. Just like in any sentence, when we want to make a sentence negative, we need a ne and a pas. You can think of it as the wind up and the pitch. If you want to use a baseball metaphor, you can think of it as two pieces of bread on your ne pas sandwich with the verb in the middle. Whichever metaphor works for you, great. Just make sure you're applying it consistently. When it comes to passé composé, nothing has changed. We're still using ne pas the same way we have before. We put the ne before the verb. Notice that since all of these verbs start with an A, we have to put in apostrophe, so always pay attention for that. And then, of course, we have pas. So, je n'ai pas choisi la musique. I didn't choose the music. Tu n'as pas vendu la voiture. You didn't sell the car. Il n'a pas envoyé les emails. He didn't send the emails. Nous n'avons pas emballé les cadeaux. We didn't wrap the gifts. Vous n'avez pas rangé la maison. You didn't get the house ready. Now, it seems very simple. Put the ne in front of avoir, put the pas after the avoir or the VA. But I do want to point out one thing specifically. This, the PPAS. Notice the PPAS is not inside the ne pas. The ne pas only goes around the VA. The verb auxiliaire are in these sentences the avoir. The PPAS will never go inside ne pas in the passé composé. So please make special note of this. I would encourage you to write down some of these sentences in your notes. Circle it, point it out, put an arrow, put a star, something that helps you recognize the fact that the PPAS, choisi, vendu, envoyé, emballé, rangé, will never go inside ne pas in the passé composé when it's negative. Je n'ai pas choisi la musique. If you can memorize one or more of these sentences and just have them ready in your head, it'll help you remember the form. Pour chaque verbe irrégulier, il y a une forme irrégulière du passé. So, for every irregular verb, we have to learn a new form of it to write in the passé composé. So on the left, the form d'activité, the activity form, or also known as the infinitive, is on the left. And then its past tense form, or the passé composé form, is on the right. So we have verbs over here. Some you might recognize, some we might know. So let's just go take a quick glance at them first. Avoir, to have. Être, to be. Faire, to do or to make. Dormir, to sleep. Dire, to say. Boire, to drink. Voir, to see. Mettre, to put or to place or to set. Prendre, to take. Recevoir, to receive, which I believe is part of our vocab for Unit 2. And offrir, to offer, also a part of our vocab for this unit. These are all irregular verbs. Now we would like to be able to just do, oh, cut off the IR, cut off the ER, cut off the RE, and add in whatever letter. Unfortunately, we can't. If it is an irregular verb, you have to learn its irregular form for the Passe Compose. So on the right, you'll see where I've written them. You'll notice that each of them start with J because it's important to remember that for each of these, you still have to use a VA. Just because they are irregular doesn't change any of the rules for Passe Compose. So if I want to say I had or I did have, I'm going to say j'ai eu, EU. EU is the past tense form of avoir. J'ai été, I have been, or I did be, which is terrible English, but somewhat grammatically coherent. J'ai fait, I did do, I did make. J'ai dormi, I slept. J'ai dit, I said or I told. J'ai bu, I drank or I did drink. J'ai vu, I saw or I did see or I have seen. J'ai mis, I put, I placed, I set. J'ai pris, I took. J'ai reçu, I received. Notice the spelling on how that one changes. J'ai offert, I offered or I did offer. So, aside from that, there is no difference with using Passe Compose with these words. All we have to remember is that if it's an irregular verb, it has its own irregular form. I'd encourage you to write these ones down because they are probably ones that, one, you're going to use very often, two, you're going to see very often, and three, talking about parties and talking about holidays, these might be verbs that we are going to use often, especially with upcoming composition assignments that you have. So please take a moment to write them all down, pause the video. Okay. Well, with that, mesdames, messieurs, et mes amis, that is it. So now, at this point, with Passe Compose, you should be able to write a simple sentence using Passe Compose with regular ER, IR, and RE verbs. You should be able to write a simple sentence using an irregular verb, such as these on this list, avoir, through, offrir. You should also be able to write a sentence in Passe Compose in the negative form. You're going to be practicing that with your classwork assignment today. So please take time to make sure you understand it. If you have any questions, you know who to talk to. A bientôt!